concept, I'll be explaining about profit and loss appropriation account based on two methods, that is nothing but before charging and after charging commission. Like in my previous video, I have discussed related to profit and loss appropriation account, and also I prepared profit and loss account. Why? What's the reason I prepared profit and loss account? Because they have given managers commission. So whenever they have given managers commission, we are going to prepare a profit and loss account. As we have discussed, like as we have studied in even in 11th, like whenever there is a financial statement of the company, अगर managers commission देकर हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में हम डेबिट साइड में हम उसको लेते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पर राइट नाउ इन क्वेश्चन दे हैव गिवन पार्टनर्स कमीशन. So whenever they have given partners commission, you have to take in profit and loss appropriation account. So what's a profit and loss appropriation account? यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, जैसे कि जो भी प्रॉफिट रहता है यहाँ पर पार्टनर्स में बांटा जाता है. जैसे कि आइदर विल गिव इन इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, आइदर विल गिव सैलरी, आइदर विल गिव एज व्हाट, commission. So here even in commission, charging commission, there are two methods. So that is nothing but it is before charging commission and after charging commission. Whenever they have given before charging commission, it will be principal into rate upon 100, and whenever they have given after charging commission, you have to apply the method of what, principal into rate divided by 100 plus 8. Like they have given question here, like Asha and Lata are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 1:2. Asha is entitled to salary of 2 lakh per annum. Here Asha, she is entitled for salary of 2 lakh, and also whenever they have given per annum, you have to take as it is the whole amount, and whenever they have given per month, you have to calculate on 12. Like suppose either they have given 2000 or 1000, you are going to calculate into 12 months. So right now they have given per annum, we are going to take the whole amount. So and a commission, and see, like Asha, she is entitled for salary as well as she is entitled for commission of 8% of net profit. So her method is before charging any commission. What's the method for before charging the commission? That is nothing but principal amount into rate upon 100. So what's the principal amount? They have given like calculate on net profit. So they have given the net profit as 5,40,000. So here Lata is entitled for commission 8% of net profit, and Lata's charging commission is different, and her method is after charging commission. So net profit for the year ended 5,40,000. So let's discuss with the solution. And sorry for the disturbance. Particulars amount. So we have to apply the table. So we have to make the table. So in credit side we are going to take 5,40,000, and debit side, that is nothing but Asha's salary, whatever the एक्सपेंसेस, लाइक जैसे कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, सैलरी, कमीशन, जो भी फर्म के लिए एक्सपेंसेस हैं हम डेबिट साइड में लेते हैं, और जो भी फर्म के लिए इनकम है हम क्रेडिट साइड में लेते हैं. सो आशा सैलरी इज़ हाउ मच, लाइक 2 lakh as I discussed in question. And what's Asha's commission? As I said, Asha's commission was before charging. Even I can show you here. Like see, before Asha is entitled for 2 lakh per annum and commission of 8% of net profit before charging any commission. So take the principal amount of net profit 5,40,000, and her method was principal divided by 100, principal into rate upon 100, and her method was before charging commission. So यहाँ पे principal amount जो है 5,40,000 है, 5,40,000, and rate is 8% divided by 100, then total amount is 43,200. एंड व्हाट्स लतास कमीशन? लतास का कमीशन का मेथड क्या है? जैसे ऑलरेडी हमने डिस्कस किया क्वेश्चन में, जैसे कि हर मेथड वॉज लतास इज एंटाइटल फॉर कमीशन ऑफ 8% ऑफ नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर चार्जिंग कमीशन. एंड लता का कमीशन का मेथड क्या है? दैट इज़ नथिंग बट आफ्टर चार्जिंग. देन प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट इज व्हाट, लाइक 5,40,000, 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 108, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट रेट अपॉन 100 प्लस 8. सपोज़ जब भी अगर आफ्टर चार्जिंग देकर है तो आपको क्या करना है, अगर 8% देकर है तो 108, सपोज़ 12% देन 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 112, सपोज़ 15% देन 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 150. सो बट अगर बिफोर है देन एज इट इज़ 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 100, 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 100. So here for Lata's commission they have given after charging commission, then principal amount is 5,40,000 into 8 upon 100 plus 8. Okay, 40,000. Then you have to take suppose in case if they have given interest on capital, salary right now they have not given. That's the reason we have not taken in account. So अगर ड्राइंग होता तो क्रेडिट में रहता, जैसे कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग. सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग वी वे टेकिंग इन क्रेडिट एंड ऑल्सो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. देन अगर दूसरा जैसे कि दूसरी चीज़ जैसे कि अगर दूसरे पार्टनर का सैलरी बट दे हैव नॉट गिवन एंड वन जस्ट दे हैव गिवन एज नेट प्रॉफिट एंड सैलरी, दैट्स ऑल, एंड कमीशन एंड टोटल अमाउंट विच साइड इज़ मोर. आपको देखना है किस दोनों तरफ कैलकुलेट करके देखना है कि डेबिट साइड ज़्यादा अमाउंट रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है या क्रेडिट. सो राइट नाउ देर इज़ क्रेडिट साइड इज़ मोर, then you have to take the same amount in debit side 5,40,000, then add total up 2 lakh salary, then commission, that is both the partners commission 43,200 and 40,000 minus with 5,40,000, then you will get 2,56,800 balance. अब आपको 2,56,000 मिला है, आपको क्या करना है, दोनों पार्टनर में बांटा जाएगा. सो इधर रेशोज़ नहीं है, दोनों पार्टनर क्या करेंगे, इक्वली बांटे जाएंगे. जो भी प्रॉफिट है इक्वली बांटा जाएगा. सपोज इन केस दे हैव गिवन रेशोज़ हियर लाइक दे हैव गिवन 1:2. So you are going to share as 2,56,800 into 1 divided by 3. That is nothing but first partner 85,600 and second partner 2,56,800 into nothing but 2 divided by 3. Why I am taking as 3? Because denominator should be add. So 2,56,800 into 2 divided by 3, that is nothing but 1,71,200. Okay, you have to share among the partners. अगर डेबिट साइड में बैलेंस है तो प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफ़र टू, अगर क्रेडिट साइड में आपको बैलेंस मिला है देन इट इज़ लॉस ट्रांसफ़र टू. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियो प्लीज़ गिव अ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. बाय.